Hi guys, today we're making Thai basil chicken. And this is a quick and easy dish that tastes just like takeout. My version of this recipe uses ground chicken cooked in a tasty sauce with bell peppers and fresh basil. And there you have it, you have a delicious meal made within minutes. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 pound of ground chicken, 3 garlic cloves minced, half an onion sliced, 1 bell pepper sliced, and 1 cup of chopped basil. The ingredients we're going to be using for the sauce are 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of water or chicken stock. Begin by heating oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook chicken. Use your spoon or spatula to break up the meat. Cook chicken until cooked through. This will take about 4 minutes. Remove drained excess liquid and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and saute garlic, bell peppers, and onions. If you want to make it spicy, you could add some crushed red pepper flakes or some minced Thai chilies. Cook until slightly softened, about 2 minutes. Return the chicken back to the pan along with all the sauce ingredients, which include soy sauce, fish sauce, brown sugar, and water. Bring to a boil and let simmer for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want the liquid to slightly reduce and you want all the flavors to blend together nicely. Stir in the chopped basil and remove from heat. Thai basil chicken recipes typically don't include bell peppers, but I love the flavor and texture that it brings to this dish. Plus, I love how the red and the green makes it look so colorful. For the full written recipe, go ahead and read the description below. I think this is the ultimate definition of quick and easy meals. But most of all, it's bursting with flavor. Of course, I have to serve it up over some white rice. Since my kids were going to be eating this, I didn't add any peppers, but mommy has to have a little heat. I love meals that you can easily whip up that taste just as good or even better than takeout. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't miss out on any of my simple and delicious recipes. Hit that red subscribe button below. Feel free to check out my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.